Hi guys, it's Ray. It is Butterfly Ling Designs sub box time. Jessica sent this one to me because I failed to order this month. Yeah, so I appreciate that very much. Thank you, Jessica. This was a nice surprise today. So let's get this open and talk a little bit. Butterfly Ling Designs has a new printer on order. She will be doing UV DTFs. The printer comes in about 2 weeks. So I will definitely be getting some UV stuff and DTF prints, and we will be doing some like glass can tumblers and things. So that's exciting. And she is also going to be introducing glow-in-the-dark vinyl that it's going to be printed, which is amazing because you guys know I love glow vinyl. She's going to be doing like wall decor. She's going to be doing laptop skins. So there's going to be a lot of cool stuff coming out of Butterfly Ling Designs soon. So definitely keep your eyes peeled for that stuff, and I'll definitely be introducing you to the new products as they come out for the ones I'm going to use. So I'm very excited for all of that. So let's get into this sub box. Right off the bat, this is absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to get this on a cup. This one wood green is gorgeous. Oh, and look at this one. Wood green and sunflowers. And a brick wall. Stone brick. Love that. This one is beautiful. Cherry blossoms on wood grain. It's cherry blossom season. My aunt just came back from Washington and shared some absolutely gorgeous photos because, you know, spring is here, supposedly. Look at this pink brick wall. I love this. And a whitewash wood grain, a slightly darker wood grain. This one is gorgeous with the lilies. And then a kind of natural brick. So these are all gorgeous. I love these backgrounds. Try and fan them out so you can see them all a little bit. Super pretty. So let's look at the decals she picked to go with. I may be wrong, but I doubt it. I like that. I'm not a control freak, but you're doing it wrong. Cancel my subscription. I'm done with your issues. Manifest that shit. Love it. And I don't take orders. I barely take suggestions. That's great. So that is the March sub box. I love all of these. I'll be excited to get some of these onto tumblers hopefully soon. And I'm excited to see what else she has coming down the road. Don't forget, if you order a sub box, order it separately. Don't use a discount on it. These are already discounted enough. And don't forget to watch for sales. She posts them on her Facebook group all the time, plus like mini drops. Like if you're looking for any of these pieces, that's the best place to watch because that's where you're going to see when they get posted. And she posts her sales weekly, monthly, whatever, as she's having them. So again, Jessica, thank you so much. I appreciate it. And I will see you guys next time.